What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing analysis on TRCH stock. First of all, brief summary about this company. Torchlight Energy Resources engaged in the acquisition, exploration, exploitation and development of oil and natural gas properties in the United States. The firm focuses on drilling and working interest programs. Its projects include three basins: Midland, Orogrande and Delaware. And for now, its total market cap is $406.43 million. And here is their website. As you can see, here is three basins, and we have recent news dated on February the 8th that Torchlight price underwritten public offering of common stock, and they announced the closing of underwritten public offering of common stock. Here we have this huge spike in volume according to this news. And first of all, let me show you institutional investors. For now, we have mixed information about either they're buying or selling. So we have, let me show you this one. We can see these companies are buying for now, and their latest buy is Vanguard as well. They add to their position, and they are one of the biggest institutional owner. So as you can see here, Vanguard, VT, SMX, AMG, BlackRock, they are the biggest investors in this company. The average share price is less than $0.50. So they starting to heavily buy at somewhere at these levels in mid-November, maybe October of 2020. Here are some latest sales. It is a complete selling of 100% of its share. Northwestern Mutual Wealth Management Company, Pfizer and Advisory Service Network, Philadelphia Trust. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. In this case, you won't miss my next video. So we can see clear waves, and this is my wave breakdown, as you can see. And basically we have only one question: is this the very top of the fifth wave? On a closer look, we can even break down with a 5-minute chart. We can see this formation, and here is this structure, and the smallest wave in here have this structure, and in my opinion it has completely finished its movement. So we have the very top, and let me show you some projections. So we have projected the length of the third wave. Let me show you the length of the third wave to the retracement of the fourth wave, and we've hit exactly 1-to-1 extension. So we exactly hit this target, and that's why this small wave might be finished. And on a greater scale, we have a little bit different picture. Let me show you. Let's switch to 2 or 3 hour chart. Okay. Here is our breakdown, and we can have a projection from the third wave of this bigger picture to the end of the fifth wave. And as you can see, I did it from this point to the top, and this is the retracement. And we've hit 1-to-1 extension from this wave at this point. Then we have huge retracement of more than around 30%, and another spike up, and here is our hovering point around 3.27. We can even go higher from this point, but it is less likely. That's why, in my opinion, I think we've finished this wave, and this will give us an opportunity to wait a retracement, to wait a pullback from this bottom, and then try to find an entry point. So let me show you some indicators. On 3-hour chart, we are forming bearish divergence. As you can see, we can have a lower high on RSI. with the higher high on the price movement, and that's why we can, from this point, we can go down. And we have the same situation with the MACD indicator. As you can see, we have the bigger momentum in this point, in this wave, and lower momentum in this wave. Let me switch to 4-hour chart. Basically the same situation. To daily chart, here we have a bigger picture, and as you can see, we have the same bearish divergence. Each and every next peak of RSI is lower than the previous one, and each and every peak on price movement is higher than the previous one. This means we can have a strong pullback from somewhere this region, and yeah, I think we have to wait for retracement and then try to enter the position if you want to invest in this type of company. I have to warn you that you have to follow the crude oil prices as well, because all of the information about this company, as you can see here, their financials are not so outstanding for now because of low prices of oil. And as you can see here, we have only 2019 year, and as we all know, 2020 was the worst year for the oil prices, and that's why we have to be extremely cautious. So let me give you some projections. Here is the entire wave, here is the entire wave movement, and as you can see, I've put it here because on 4-hour chart, on extended hours, we've hit this point, and in my opinion, it is more technical to put the all-time high from this region to project some retracements. And here are the most probable zone. As you can see, we have some resistances / support. This is the resistance, and it is pretty much the same level of support here. I can even make it a little bit higher. And here is another support right at the golden corner, golden pocket region. We've poked through this level and then bounce back, and price continue to go up. And that's why this asset give us this type of opportunity. So from this point, we will have something like this, maybe around these points. And in my opinion, you have to start to accumulate your position if you want to invest in this company right around this resistance. In the middle of 3.2 region and 0.5 region, you might have the first entry point, and you can basically lower it up to 0.5 region. And then next entry point will be right around golden corner. And this is the best, in my opinion, the best possible entry points. And I think for now you don't want to enter this trade, because I might be completely wrong, but in my opinion, we might have only small leg to the upside for maybe $4, $4.50, but not any higher. And then we will have a pullback around $3 mark region. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. In this case, you won't miss my next video. See you next time. Bye.